Jake and Jane's friend race. Jake's leg was in super shape, so Jake challenged his friend Jake and A to race around Drake's leg. No way, said A, but Jane said, okay, let's race today. That Jane sure was brave. No, okay, no way. Everyone came to see the race. I am so amazing. I can't wait to win. Boast Jake. You may be surprised, replied Jane. The two raced to their places. Ready, set, go. Yeah, babe. Jake raced and raced, but Jake took a break to bake a layer cake. I think I can make it. I think I can make it. Jane raced and raced, but Jake took a break to make a queen painting of Drake's leg. This is an amazing painting. I think I can make it. I think I can make it. Jane raced and raced, but Jake took a break to call his friend named Dave, who liked in Spain. Is it raining in Spain, Dave? I know I can make it. Jane raced and raced, but Jake took a break and ate a big plate of grapes. Then he heard Abe say, "Hey, Jane is winning." Then made Jake decide to join the race. Hey, Jane is winning. But it was way too late. Jane won first place. You did great. What to make a statement? Asked Abe. Slow and steady wins the race, said Jane. But I'm in such an amazing shape.